It's not easy to capture vibrant shots in real life. With all the talent you have, you still need a top-notch camera to truly bring this charming world of ours to life. In specific terms, you need a good fast focus system that captures details instantly. You need a large sensor for exceptional image quality. You also need interchangeable lenses for flexibility. Mix that with a user-friendly interface and you've got one of the best photography cams on the market. Before we dive into our selection, make sure to use our links. They will lead you to the latest discount for every product we talk about. Here we go now. Number 5. Fujifilm X-T5. Best for travel photos. Travel photography requires a camera that adapts to unpredictable environments. Whether hiking rugged trails or exploring bustling cities, a device must blend portability with performance. Enter the Fujifilm X-T5. Compact and lightweight at 557 grams, it fits effortlessly into bags and hands without compromising on quality. Many travel cameras offer 24-megapixel sensors, but the X-T5 pushes boundaries with its 40.2-megapixel X-Trans 5 HR CMOS sensor. This translates to top-tier detail. It's perfect if you want to capture that intricate architecture, for example. Now, we should mention that you can't avoid low-light setups on travels. You know, dimly lit cafes, sunset street scenes. It's low-light stuff. Well, the X-T5 handles them with ease. The ISO range here reaches 125, which cuts noise to boost clarity. You also get built-in 5-axis image stabilization that makes handheld shots reliable, even when a tripod isn't an option. This feature shines during evening outings or on uneven terrain, ensuring clear images regardless of conditions. Travelers value versatility, and the X-T5 delivers with its 3-way tilting LCD screen. This adjustment allows you to capture creative angles without awkward positions. You can snap food at table level. You can capture skyscrapers from below. The screen adjusts to meet the moment. The weather-sealed construction also safeguards against sudden rain or dust, which means reliability throughout an entire adventure. Speed matters when capturing fleeting moments. With a mechanical shutter firing up to 15 frames per second, the X-T5 freezes motion effortlessly. Wildlife photographers can capture fast-moving subjects in perfect focus, while street photographers won't miss a beat of daily life. The deep learning AI autofocus detects faces, animals, and even vehicles, making it easier to focus on creative composition instead of manual settings. While other cameras offer standard color profiles, Fujifilm's film simulation modes elevate photos to a different level. With 19 presets inspired by classic Fujifilm film, from vivid to nostalgic tones, perfecting the mood of an image becomes hassle-free. For those facing long travel days, the extended battery life of up to 740 frames is a bonus. Compared to the market average, this is an upgrade that removes the constant need for spares or recharging. Good stuff! A thumbs up from here. Number 4. Canon EOS R5 Mark II. Best for outdoors photography. Outdoor photography often pushes equipment to the limits. Scenarios vary wildly. Blazing sunset in open landscapes, subtle hues at twilight, fast-moving wildlife, rugged weather conditions, you name it. Well, Canon's EOS R5 Mark II rises to the challenges with confidence. It has a state-of-the-art 45-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor stands. Compared to the industry's standard of roughly 24 to 33 megapixels, this camera captures finer, sharper detail, whether photographing intricate patterns in leaves or the vivid colors of a sunset over mountain peaks. Quick reaction times can define the success of a photo. An electronic shutter firing at 30 frames per second gives the R5 Mark II a clear edge. This feature allows photographers to seize those split-second moments, like a bird lifting off a branch or a fleeting expression in a busy market. Autofocus improvements take it further, seamlessly tracking subjects even when they move through partial obstructions like branches or human crowds. Action photographers benefit significantly here. Weather rarely cooperates with outdoor shots, but the R5 Mark II holds steady. It's made with advanced weather sealing. The cam can withstand rain, snow, dust, all without extra protective gear. For comparison, some professional cameras in similar price ranges can falter in such conditions, requiring cumbersome external covers. Stability matters when you're outdoors. Canon has a built-in 5-axis image stabilization that cuts blur caused by hand movement. This feature is especially crucial for handheld shots in active situations, hiking trails, moving vehicle shots, that type of thing. The stabilization system works seamlessly because it eliminates the need for heavy tripods. Those consume space and we always try to avoid them. The enhanced electronic viewfinder is another thing we have to mention. It's bright, it's crisp, it counters the focus difficulties under glaring sunlight. For creatives merging stills and videos, the R5 Mark II excels with 8K video capabilities, perfect for cinematic footage in nature. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Number 3. Sony Alpha 7R5, best for event photography. Capturing moments at events takes more than basic camera skills. It takes a tool designed to handle the fast pace, changing light and lively energy of the setting. This is where the Sony Alpha 7R5 shows its strength. With a 61-megapixel Exmor-R CMOS sensor, it delivers sharp, vibrant photos even in low-light conditions. Competitor models often fall short with lower resolutions, making this camera a standout for detailed captures. Photographers at lively events need reliability in freezing movement. With a 10 frames per second shooting speed and advanced autofocus using 693 phase detection points, the Alpha 7R5 tracks action seamlessly. From unexpected movements on a dance floor to the unpredictable moments during wedding ceremonies, it doesn't lose focus. The artificial intelligence feature enhances its ability to lock onto subjects, helping photographers avoid missed opportunities in chaotic settings. Steady shots matter, and this camera stands out with 8 stops of in-body stabilization. It excels in situations where tripods aren't an option, such as crowded venues or busy outdoor locations. Industry comparisons highlight this model as offering more stabilization steps than many competitors, typically capped at 5 stops. Event photographers also appreciate tools that make long sessions easier. The dual card slots accommodate high-speed CF Express, but also SD cards. This allows for uninterrupted shots with faster data handling. This is essential for all-day events where storage can get critical. Shooting versatility is further boosted by the ability to record 8K resolution video. The flexible 4-axis LCD monitor proves useful in challenging spaces. It adjusts to make overhead or ground level shots manageable, mimicking the functionality of a tilting and vari-angle design in one. Many might overlook the anti-dust mechanism, but it adds peace of mind when working in less than ideal conditions. The durability of the Alpha 7R5 ensures reliability. You can shoot in dusty festival spaces, you can cover busy cityscapes. The camera performs without hiccups. We like this one a lot. Number 2. Canon EOS R1, high-end choice. Exceptional tools don't just meet expectations, they redefine them. The Canon EOS R1 does exactly that for photographers seeking peak performance. With a 24.2-megapixel back-illuminated stacked CMOS sensor, this device strikes a perfect balance between speed and clarity. Whether working on detailed editorial spreads or capturing unpredictable action, this sensor delivers sharp images without performance compromises. Photographers who rely on precision will notice the value of the pre-shutter continuous capture feature. This technology records half a second of action before the shutter press. Imagine covering fast-paced sports events or fleeting wildlife moments. With this feature, you gain an advantage where split seconds matter. Few competitors offer such a practical tool, giving the R1 an edge in action photography. Performance under pressure also gets a boost from the dual processors. The Digic X processor works with the new Digic accelerator to power advanced features like eye control AF. By simply focusing with your eye through the viewfinder, you can quickly adjust focus points to align with your subject. Wedding photographers and photojournalists strapped for time will find this feature saves seconds that might otherwise cost them critical shots. Durability remains crucial for premium users per usual. With a magnesium alloy body, the EOS R1 handles harsh outdoor conditions with ease. Meanwhile, many alternatives need additional accessories to offer similar weather protection, adding extra bulk and cost. For those stepping into videography, the 6K RAW capability at 60 frames per second sets a standard for high-end video quality. Stabilization systems, including in-body and lens-coordinated options, make it perfect for dynamic filming environments. This level of stabilization outclasses plenty of models on the market, which often lack full in-body support. Attention to usability shows everywhere. The electronic viewfinder features 9.44 million dots of resolution, delivering crisp previews that matter in high-detail projects. Paired with dual CF Express card slots, the camera accommodates rapid data handling for extended shoots, from long events to elaborate studio sessions. If you can treat yourself to this beast, we say go for it. Number 1. Nikon Z8. Best overall. Great photography equipment makes capturing moments seamless, turning technical challenges into opportunities. With the Nikon Z8, photographers of all skill levels gain an edge in both creativity and efficiency. The advanced 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor brings high-resolution imaging without performance slowdowns. For action enthusiasts, the Nikon Z8 leads with impressive speed. Burst rates reach up to 120 frames per second. Now that's a feature that makes sure not a single fleeting moment is missed. The pre-release capture tool, which saves moments preceding the shutter press, is invaluable in fast-paced settings like sports or wildlife photography. Unlike many other cameras, this model operates with a silent electronic shutter at speeds as quick as 1/32,000th of a second. That level of quiet operation maintains focus in environments requiring discretion. One area where this model excels further is its autofocus system. By integrating subject recognition powered by sophisticated deep learning, it identifies and locks onto eyes, faces, and even moving vehicles with remarkable accuracy. Focusing in dim light down to an impressive -9 EV gives it an edge over standard models, which can falter in such conditions. Professionals shooting weddings or nature in low light will see a clear advantage here. Build quality is just as noteworthy. Weighing a mere 2 pounds, the Z8 combines portability with strength through its magnesium alloy and carbon fiber body. Photographers needing to work long hours or shoot in challenging outdoor conditions will appreciate this design. Few competitors manage to offer such durability without adding extra bulk, making this an industry leader for lightweight ruggedness. For those dabbling in videography or taking it as seriously as photography, the Z8 delivers 8K resolution at 60 frames per second. Internal RAW recording eliminates reliance on external recorders, while superb stabilization offers steady footage even when used handheld. This makes transitions from stills to video effortless, an important factor as hybrid content becomes the standard. You wanted the best, you got it. That would be all for today, guys. We hope this helped. And if it did, how about liking the video and subscribing to the channel? Have a good one and keep it valid.